Math was developed not by mathematicians, but by bureaucrats. Statistics was developed by bureaucrats to hide political decisions and made them look as value-free when they were never value-free. And so data is not information, it's an artifact. We choose what problem we want to solve, we choose what data we collect, we interpret it, and all of these are morally laden decisions. And so I would disagree that liberalism, that liberal democracy is based on reason. It's based on morality. And it's based in particular in self-restraint. We restrain ourselves and we restrain different powers such that nobody dominates another. If it was only about reason, you could have a very, very reasonable authoritarian regime, right? It's not about that. It's about making sure nobody dominates another.
The data is not neutral. Well, the answer to your question is baked within your question. We know that data is not neutral. Now, to some, that's a profound insight. To others, that's sort of a ho-hum. But the point is that the world is informational. Everything is information, but we have to deliberately decide we're going to render it into a data format by collecting it and storing it and processing it. And so by doing so, that curatorial notion, all data, there's no such thing as raw data, all data is somehow touched by theory, by bias and prejudice and optics and framing. A book that I wrote after big data to make the case that we have to get better at framing so that we can actually use data wisely.